Factoring polynomials. X plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 times x plus 5 minus 48. So these kinds of math we have to make some tricks, like this is 2 and here is 5. It's a 7. 3 plus 4 also 7. So we can make something like x plus 2 times x plus 5 times x plus 3 times x plus 4 minus 48. Now we can multiply, like x square plus 5x plus here is 2x plus 10. Same thing, here is a x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12 minus 48. Now x square plus 7x plus 10, and here is x square plus 7x plus 12 minus 48. Now look, here x square plus 7x, and here is also x square plus 7x. So we can say like x square plus 7x plus 10, and here is x square plus 7x. Against this 12 we can write 10 plus 2 minus 48. Now we can write, let x square plus 7x plus 10 equals to, let's say it's a. So whole thing, this is a and this is a. So we can write a times a plus 2 minus 48, right? Now we can write a square plus 2a minus 48. Okay? Then 48, if we make factorize, 6 times 8 equals to 48, and 8 minus 6 also 2. So this case we can write a square 8a minus 6a minus 48. Then we can take common a, so here is a plus 8, and here we can take common minus 6, so again a plus 8. Then it will be a plus 8 times a minus 6. We know a means what? X square plus 7x plus 10, and here is plus 8. Same thing, x square plus 7x plus 10 minus 6. We can make a side note, a equals to x square plus 7x plus 10. Now our answer will be here x square plus 7x plus 10 plus 8, it will be 18, and here is x square plus 7x plus 10 minus 6, it's a 4, and this is our answer. Very simple, right? So if you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. I hope it will be help you to make good practice for factoring polynomials. Thank you for being with me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.